How to sew a zipper in 10 easy steps.
Before we get started, here are the machines you need to sew a zipper. The main two are a lock stitch and a serger. If you want to make professional level garments, we also recommend using a double needle lock stitch and a BARTACK machine. Step 1. Lay out material. Here are all the pieces that you're going to need for this step, and we've labeled them for you, so make sure you got them. Step 2. Prep material. There's 4 pieces here you're going to need to serge, so this is what that kind of looks like. And the zipper back, we're kind of tucking that underneath and then serging that closed. And like we said, this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. Step 3. Attach zipper front. Place the zipper front over your front left panel. Measure 1/2 an inch and sew a lock stitch. Step 4. Top stitch zipper front. Right here, you're going to want to curl that zipper front around the back and then measure 1/8 of an inch and sew a single needle lock stitch. I'd stop about 1 inch below that zipper front. Step 5. Attach zipper. Make sure the zipper is turned upside down and align it right next to that top stitch we just did. Attach the zipper with a single needle lock stitch up the center of the right zipper tape. Step number 6. The J-stitch. On the double needle machine, lift up the bottom tab on the right and sew a double needle lock stitch that follows along that left serging on the zipper front. This is what it looks like when it's all said and done. Step 7. Attach zipper back. Lay the good sides of these materials together and go ahead and pull the zipper aside, folding that front piece underneath, and lay that right next to the serging. And once you do that, lay the zipper back on top and put it right under the machine to top stitch. Top stitch, kind of sandwiching the zipper in there, holding it right along that serging, and then stop 1 inch before the end. Very important to stop right there. Step 8. Top stitch the front rise. Lift up the zipper back 1/2 an inch and go ahead and cut about 1/2 an inch right there. It's going to allow you to fold in the excess there in the bottom, and when you top stitch along the left of the zipper, you're going to pull all that bottom over about that 1/2 inch and lock stitch it down. Step 9. Sew the keystone. Fold the top panel under 1/2 an inch and lay flat over the bottom panel. Top stitch until you cross the double needle lock stitch by 3 to 5 stitches. After you get up to that top point, you're going to turn the pant, sew over 3 to 4 stitches, and then make a turn and then follow along the left side of your presser thread down to the bottom. Step 10. BARTACK. The final step is just to place a BARTACK right on the J-stitch. That's going to close the front and the back. So when you look at everything, you're going to have a clean front, and right at the bottom underneath the zipper back, you're going to have a clean bottom right there.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we want to make many more videos like this, but we need your help. If there's anything you want to see, please let us know in the comments below. Have a great day.